Hello, welcome back to Planner Apocalypse, where today I'm going to be opening my hobonichi order for 2025. I ordered this a couple of months ago, and it's just been sitting around in my craft room, so let's open her up. Before you think of anything, write, "That made me happy." Don't ask yourself what made you happy until afterward. Then write down the answer, even if you really have to dig for one. You could also try, "That made me sad," or "That was delicious." Safety matches morning and evening talks. Cool. So I made some decisions since ordering this stuff that I think some of these things will be saved for next year, such as this beautiful A5 cover. This is like the sweet something, sweet treats. I don't remember what it was called. And then we have this gorgeous cover on cover, which reminds me so much of Germanic folktale art. I'm gonna butcher the saying, but 𝖍𝖎𝖓𝖊𝖓𝖙, something like that, where it's cut paper and it's symmetrical. Obviously this isn't symmetrical, but anyway, whatever. And then I also, I don't remember ordering that. So you see what happens when you wait so long to open things? Great. So I was going to use another, what's it called? That thing from the Sterling Ink Common Planner, because she's got an A5 hobonichi Weeks layout basically. And that I wanted to try that for my spiritual journal this year. So that's what this is for. Only since thinking about it, I still have all of this. This is my spiritual journal from this year, which I really didn't touch. So I have all of this extra space. I don't know whether to just start new. This is the one that I took the cover from the Magic of I book and glued it on here. I don't, look at that, isn't that nice? I didn't fill in all of the weeks. This is the undated vertical that I got a couple years ago, and I really just didn't keep up with it. And so I don't know whether to start fresh energy, all that stuff. I might do that, but we will see. I'm just going to put this on because I want to see how it looks, and I want to show everybody how it looks on here. I unfortunately don't remember the artist's name for the cover on cover. Look how pretty that is. Oh, and it says yarn over here, and there's all this stuff. So for my wedding, which was in 2015, the theme was Märchen, or like a folktale kind of thing. And I had made a Sternschnitte thing for the cake. It was very like DIY. I can put a picture of it up on the screen, but that's what this reminded me of. And the pink I thought was very cute. And yeah, I might still get that planner. I might, but here we go. So yes, I am in yet another hobonichi Weeks. Here's this year's, and I didn't order a cover because I have two here that I can choose from. I bought this one last year when I got all of the Opanchu Usagi things, and then I bought this one the year before because I loved the design so much that I had to have it just in case in every size. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to be using yet, but I also have this is my first one of these special covers for the weeks where it's like a wallet. Give me this. And it says handwrite, which is their thing, which was a few years ago, their little theme. Dangerous, do not eat. Get out. And so I went for the purpley color. It's just slightly pinker than the lavender one from 2024. I went with the Mega again, even though I didn't use all of the pages once again this year. This was a very bad year, but it is what it is. Let's take a look. Oh, hello, what's that? The mystery of Techo mask. Oh my God. Why does he look like some 16th century, like Shin Megami Tensei villain? Good Lord. What are you doing? This is very scary. Oh my God. Let's read that. This is crazy. This is insane to me. There's a treasure hidden inside you, superhuman strength waiting to be awakened. This is your potential. Watch it shine through bit by bit in the pages of your life book. It's more than you can even imagine. This charm, this spell, it's your potential. Oh yeah, I think, is Is potential their theme of the year? I can't remember. Here, we have a comic. Are you ready for this? It's late at night and you find yourself troubled. Potential, you whisper aloud. Who else but Techo Mask appears before you? Yo, where's the rose that he throws? Am I right? 2. Oh my god, he has a book cape. Amazing. Techo Mask can be seen flying around the world. What kind of world awaits you? This is unhinged and I love it so much. There are QR codes. I'm not really sure what they do, but if you want to scan them, you can go right ahead. I don't know if it's like it goes to the same place or what. Don't be afraid to explore the ancient caverns of yore. What techniques are hidden within the Book of Secrets? Oh my god, this man has a book for a mustache. Bravo to this artist. I just want to say, 𝖍𝖎𝖓𝖊𝖓. Fuji. There's 2 eyes. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow, a secret tool makes a surprise appearance. It looks like he's got a pizza cutter for a hand. 2 treasure boxes lie before you. Which will you open? This man looks absolutely unhinged. I love these. I'm going to hang this up and my daughter's going to be absolutely freaked out. Great. All right, bye. So that was fun. So we have this nice new hobonichi weeks that we can stick right in here. So, ta-da! And then I also have this little pen case because I'm a whore for little accessories and they know this. What else did I get? I got the free pen, which is this orange and yellow this year. It's very Techo Mask-y, am I right? Look at that. Interesting. And then I got the little, what are these called again? Sticky notes? Gosh, I know what I'm talking about. So this is the sticky note refill and this is the sticky note card. And we're gonna get off there. As you can see, I did not opt for a, what's it called? One of these, a wee baby A6. Look at how fat my A6 is, very puffy. I didn't opt for one of these this year, or next year rather. And I think I will go into that in my Techo Kaigi. I just wanted to get this taken care of now so that I know what I'm doing because it's almost the end of the year and I gotta get moving on many things, including what I'm doing next year. So will this fit with one of those things over there? I think I will do Opanchu Usagi because I must. And then if I feel a little bit more mystical, I'll use this one. This is by yuka hiiragi, and then this one is by Kawaii Sono, I think. They have an Instagram for Opanchu Usagi. It's really good. I don't know, what mood am I taking for next year? Let's do this one. I don't know. Techo Mask. If only I had another one of those, then I could cut that up and glue it in my journal. But I do not, and I don't want to ruin that. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. Get on there. I really hope that this fits in this other thingy with the case on. That would be nice. And then, right, you have to stretch it. I forgot about that. Because the cover is a bit tight for the mega, but it fits. If it fits, it sits. I'll probably leave it under a book or something like that. And then, where did I stick that? Yeah, I did. See, my first hobonichi weeks, I made the mistake of putting this on the actual book cover, but now I put it on cover. Oh, is that there? Is that on this one? I don't think that is it? Oh, no, it is. I lied. Some people I've seen put it here, and then they put a picture there or something like that, and maybe I'll do that just for something different, and I'll hate it later. Do this. Maybe I'll use it for my most used stickers or something like that. So this is probably most likely, yes, going to be my health journal tracker planner thing for 2025. Oh yeah, and it's good thing it's good that I didn't put it there because then I would put it in here and then lose. Oh, is that? Oh, hey, there's 2 pockets. Do you see how that thought that I was having just died? Do you see that? That happens all the time. Hello, if you're new here, welcome to the place that time forgot. Me being time, I suppose, in this instance, but cool. That fits. It closes for now, right? This I don't need right now. And I have stickers in my old one, and I'm not quite ready to move out of this old one yet because the year isn't technically over yet. I barely really used this. I did this for an experiment, and so there are a lot of empty spreads. This is how I was using it. I would just basically track the 4 pillar phases of the moon, so new moon, first quarter moon, full moon, last quarter moon, and do stuff for that. And then I would just write down things that I did that day. And this is how I made the Memento Mori Goal Planner Companion, which will be coming out on Amazon Kindle Direct Printing at some point for 2025. And when that happens, I will be very happy. As you can see, I didn't use the monthly calendars at all. And where was that thing? I was going to do Vlog Humbug this year. Those were going to be my videos, but I decided that I just did not have the mental energy for it. Just going to take these out. So I didn't do it. And there we have it. I don't even know when this video is going to come out or when I'm going to be editing it. I might not edit it very much because I just want to get things out. I have a couple of planner reviews to do because I bought them because, you know, they're new, and I also really want to use a fountain pen because I really want to use one of the Muji planners that I got for work. I don't know what I'm doing yet though. We're going to take this out of the package. I have so many of these pens now because I've been buying Hobonichi products since 2016. I didn't get a pen every year because they do run out. And you only get the pen if you order from the Japanese website. And so sometimes I ordered from Jet Pens instead. And that, get in there. Thank you. Let me put this right here. Boof. So this is my health doohickey for next year. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Very nice. Does this fit? Make this stretch around it. There we go. Look at that. That works. Very nice. Eventually I will do a setup. Hopefully, maybe. That might come out next year. And honestly, that's really it. I don't know why I just put my stuff away, but gosh, that's it. That's it. I didn't go ham this year because I didn't need to, and I'm having a bit of a crisis. So I think when I do my setup for my new weeks, I will take care of the A6, perhaps. You know, what's it called? Stripping it down and stuff to be stored for archived, if you will. Great. So once again, this is what I got. Ta-da! That's it. I'm not really sure exactly yet what I'm going to be tracking. So I have a visible armband for my chronic pain, burnout issues. So that's one thing I want to track. And then I also want to be able to just have a lot of notes. I will probably maybe also be tracking my daughter's stuff, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, okay. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Till next time.